Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today, as you guys might be able to tell by the title down below, I am sharing with you guys a Valentine's Day bracelet making video. I love sharing these videos so much so that I actually have a second channel all about my Etsy shop and making bracelets. So I will have that link down below. It's just at Kellyprepster Studio. I'm currently doing daily videos up until Valentine's Day, so I thought this was only fitting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified when tomorrow's video goes live. Again, if you guys like any of the bracelets in this video, go check out my Etsy. It's all linked down below. I do have a coupon code for my YouTube watchers. So if you use the code YouTube at checkout, when you spend $15 or more, you can get 15% off. So definitely go check it out. I'm so excited to share with you guys my setup and all of my beads. I have alphabet beads, tons of fun, colorful ones. One of my favorite things about the bead videos is all the sounds. I just think it's so satisfying. So we're gonna make some bracelets. I'm gonna show you guys my setup. We're gonna watch a little bit of One Tree Hill while we're making it. And then a fun little random fact, I'm actually filming another video like this for the bead channel. So if you guys really like this, there's gonna be another one up tomorrow on Sunday on that channel. So go check it out. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna pull out my iPad and we're gonna make a list of what our bracelets are gonna say. All right, so I have my iPad right here. It's seriously so cute. I made this green background and it says, I'm creating the life of my dreams. It has my calendar. We are going to be using my Apple Pencil. We are going to be using the Notes app and writing some bracelet ideas down. So I came up with Heart's Day, I love you so much, and I write that in all my comments. Love ya, love bug. I think this one is so fun because you guys know I am a huge Jonas Brothers fan. I have concert videos on my channel, so definitely go check them out, but I think that's fun for Valentine's Day. And then the I heart you with the heart bead. So we're gonna pick out all the colors, and you guys, oh, I am so excited. So I'm gonna slide this over. We have our words and these are all the beads. So this is my tray that comes with it and this is where I measure my beads across. I also recently just picked up some more elastic. This is from the brand Go Create, but what I have found out is I like the 0.8 millimeter elastic, and then we are gonna pick out the colors. But first, we gotta spell out all of the words. And while I'm filming all of this, I am going to put on a show on my phone. This is where I like to watch One Tree Hill. Like I mentioned earlier, I am completely hooked. I talked about it in my January favorites. It's on HBO Max, and this way I can put my headphones on and be quiet so you guys can hear all of the bead sounds. I'm currently on season 2, episode 12. I've slowed my binge down a little bit, and then of course, headphones. I need it. Okay, so we have Heart's Day, I love you so much, love ya, love bug, and I heart you. So now we're gonna move over to the beads and pick out some colorful beads that go along with them. So for example, if I want to use this pink crystally one, which, oh my gosh, aren't these so pretty? And put this with the, let's say, love bug. I feel like that would be super cute. I'm gonna put it right next to it. So I'm gonna do that for all of them. So these are so cute. I picked out the pink sparkly one for Heart's Day, this crystal blue one for I Love You So Much, this really beautiful shiny lilac color for Love Ya, of course the pink crystally one for Love Bug, and then this really pretty baby pink. So I think these are going to make a cute stack once they're all set together. For example, this was my last Valentine's Day one, and guys, look how pretty these all go together. These are on my Etsy currently right now. They're part of my Valentine's Day collection, but they're like the perfect little blend of bracelets. So we're gonna get beading and stringing them all together. So you're gonna need some elastic. Again, like I mentioned, this is 0.8 millimeters. And then of course we're gonna need some scissors. I love little kid scissors. I just think they work the best. All right, you guys, so we finished making all of the bracelets. I'm gonna put my scissors away and the string. I'm just gonna keep that in here. I can't wait to show you guys how cute these are. So we have the ILYSM, I Love You So Much in blue, Love Ya in purple, I Heart You in pink, this pink sparkly Heart's Day, and a crystally pink Love Bug. And I think they look so cute all stacked up together because they have like such pretty colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I will get working on listing these on Etsy very soon. They're just so fun and so cute, and I love how they turned out, and I think they're so festive for the season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this bracelet making video. I love filming these. Again, I do have a second channel. It is linked down below, and I share these videos every Sunday, so don't miss out. If you guys like these kind of videos, be sure to check out my Etsy in case you guys want to shop the new line. I am obsessed. They're so cute. Honestly, I might this one when I film my next one just because it's too cute. I love stacking them and they're just adorable. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys so much, and I'm so grateful to have you guys over here and watching my video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys have been enjoying daily videos, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with another new video. Bye guys!